Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Clicks keyboard for the Razr. This works with the Razr Plus, the Razr 2025, which is what I have here, the base model, the Razr 60, and the Razr 60 Ultra, which are like just other names for the base and the Ultra. So this basically works with all of them. I'm very excited to check this out. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but I do want to just be transparent and let you guys know that I did get this for free. Nothing to do with Clicks. It was just free with the purchase of my Moto Razr 2025 from Best Buy. So it's not at all sponsored, but I don't have any money into it at the same time. I just want to let you guys know that and be transparent about that when I talk about this, that I'm not out any money if I don't like something or, something like that. But from what I've seen online, this thing is a little bit buggy right now, but we're going to see how it goes. First-hand experience. I actually did kind of shove this into my iPhone case because I have the Clicks for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, or iPhone 16 Pro Max rather. So I shoved it in there and it works. So I didn't download the app or anything like that. I just, was playing around with it. So we're going to go ahead and get this open. This is the bottom actual keyboard half. There is a top half in there, which I think you can leave off. And of course, this is the Onyx one. This is the updated design for the Razr. I think they had another one as well before for the other one, for the older Razr before the 2025s came out. But this kind of works with, I think, most of them. It was really confusing. But this works with all the 2025s at least. So we'll just say that. So we just slide the phone in here. And let's see, I think, did it go all the way in? Yeah, we're all the way in. Let me just open it up here. So, all right, phone's all the way in. So this is the keyboard. You can use it just like this without a top piece on, which it looks kind of weird like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the top piece on. Some people say the top piece isn't very sturdy, but we'll see. I think it's got it's got a little sticker bit right here. So maybe they just didn't peel that off. I've just been reading stuff on Reddit while I was waiting on mine because mine got a little bit delayed, but it's got a little sticky adhesive part on the top there, so I don't know why they said it doesn't stay. So we'll line that up. Now this one, like I said, this works with all the models. So if you have like the Razr Ultra, the 2025 Ultra, your screen is going to go up here where I have my, this is the same material the back's made out of. Your screen's going to go up higher. This one, it just shows a little bit of that, no big deal. So let's see, I haven't downloaded any software. No, this is having... So for some reason, when this keyboard is connected, I don't know what it is, but this did this after my iPhone keyboard was plugged in. The always on display, I don't know if you can see it, but the always on display is not turning off. It has this like faint like gray tint to it, and I don't know why it's doing that. It seems like you have to touch the screen or something and then it goes away, so you can kind of see it come and go. I don't know if you can see it that well on camera, but I don't know why it's doing that, or it's something to do with the keyboard, but we'll see here. We can go ahead and unlock with my face, but let's just we'll open up X here. And one cool thing, I have this app in full screen mode, so it goes all the way down. You can change that. What does that do? Looks like, okay, this is something for the keyboard, it looks like. So test, yep, it is typing. I want to get it out of the full screen though, because I don't need the full screen keyboard thing up here. Let's see, we're going to do default view. We'll go back. Okay, I guess we can't, there we go. So it wants to pull up this keyboard all the time. We'll see if we can get rid of that later. Okay, go away. Let's download the Clicks app here. Go ahead and open it up. And before anybody asks, I am using Nova Launcher and an icon pack. I don't really know what icon pack it was. It was just like some white icon pack from the Play Store. I'll go over this setup here later on my phone. So So we'll download Clicks keyboard, install. So far, I like the way this feels a lot better than the iPhone one. The iPhone one, this has like little grippy handholds here. I think that's more for opening the phone, but we'll see. I guess we just open it from there. We'll see in a second. Let's see. Always open Clicks when Clicks. I don't want to open. I don't need to open the app. I don't know what that is either. Okay, start. Swipe or press spacebar to continue. I like the way this keyboard clicks. It feels different than the iPhone. So we have some basic shortcuts here. Symbols, hold 1, 2, 3, and tap. Okay, so it's just telling you how that works. We got that. We've already done that here for the iPhone one. We've got your backlight. You can do between 1 and 60 seconds. We're just going to leave it at 10. Caps lock, symbol lock, cursor mode, Gemini settings, alt settings. All right. So the settings are a little bit different than on the iPhone. We'll check the firmware here. No updates available. Does it have a go home? I don't know what the shortcuts are on Android. I'll have to look into the Android shortcuts. Like I said, I don't know what they are. That kind of just tabs through what's on your screen, and then I guess you can open it. Yeah, you can. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Touch the screen to get rid of it. So it's like trying to. So if you just type in any letter, bring up no. Okay, so there's different shortcuts. Like I said, different letters are doing different things. And you can probably change this. This looks like it's an Android thing right here. We'll open X again. Test of the clicks. Keyboard. So I mean, yeah, it types pretty nice. I know you guys can't see the whole thing kind of long here on screen, but yeah, it works pretty well. It looks like as long as you don't touch like the keyboard buttons while the screen is locked, it doesn't do that weird like thing. As you can see, it does it there when it wakes it up. I don't know what that is. I might have to play around with the settings or see what's going on there, but I don't know why it does that. But that is the Clicks keyboard for the Motorola Razr 2025. It also does offer a magnet on the back, but the Motorola phones do not allow you to wirelessly charge when there's a USB-C accessory plugged into them. So you can't put this on like a stand or something like that. You can really only use it for, a magnetic. You can probably get a magnetic wallet on the back of this one. You can't on the Razr, like with a case like this, where it just stays on the back of the phone, or it's the same size as the phone. This is a little bit longer, so you can probably put a wallet right here and it won't go everywhere, which is pretty nice. But yeah, unfortunately, a limitation of the Motorola's is you cannot wirelessly charge them while a USB-C connector or while USB-C accessory is plugged in for whatever reason. That's just a limitation of the Motos. Like the Pixel one, you can do it. The iPhone, you can do it. But just on this phone, you can't wireless charge while the keyboard's plugged in, unfortunately. So just keep that in mind. It does have the magnet, so you can put it on like a car mount or a bedside, a charging stand or something like that. It's just not going to charge. But I'm calling Techout. This is the Clicks keyboard for the Razr 2025. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.